The next part is the master track details. Now, just like in the software instrument, the master track is found in the track info. When you click on the master track, you can open up the details at the very bottom of the screen. It's going to be this little details thing, and it's a little triangle. You click on the triangle, it's going to open up different parameters and different plugins that you can affect the entire track at the very end. This is very helpful in making your track sound, giving it a space and setting it in its own room. Within here, you can add different things like reverb, echo, EQ, compression, and ducking amount. The ducking amount is going to allow you to, to make your track just a little bit quieter at certain moments. As far as like when you're doing like podcasts and things like that, you can actually change the volume with certain background music and things like, and talk over it, and and record different things. With this part, what you want to do is you want to just use the check boxes to turn your effects on and off, and then adjust the wet and dry signal with the faders on the side of it. Now, what you can also do is add some type of any type of presets to help your entire thing, fill up, and just adjust them and tweak them at the end.